Oh, that's great. Hi, Krabby. Hi, Krabby. Hi.
I blew up and
How are
framed
you?
one of your pictures.
Oh, little boo-boo. You going swimming? You going swimming? Uh-oh. No, you hate the water. You hate the water?
The week before last, he came running towards me as I was coming out of the water, and all of a sudden he realized all 4 feet were in the water. He couldn't figure out how to pick them all up at the same time.